I have an answer, but it's a very human answer. I say that if you go past a restaurant and you see a lot of people inside it, you're going to go there. And if you're a bird and you see a lot of birds, it could be a good place to go to. But that's just, I don't know. But if you won't go to a place with no one, and I think birds are attracted by birds, I guess. There were always quite a few birds, yes. The other thing that bird has is they like dry, arid places with lots of beach. They don't like densely wooded. Yeah, I think it's a safety issue. They see predators. And that's why you see so many birds on the airstrip moving around. I think that it's the open space, and bird has got a lot of open spaces. The North Point is fantastic for them, obviously, because it's just one big expanse of sand. And that, because we've cleared it, comes all the way in. I think these are the main reasons why. Because we are the northernmost island. We are the furthest away from them, which is why it's a very interesting question. Because most of the birds come from the south.